Good morning. Now we are on the next one. We're on a little road, sort of back road, right in the town of Tunbridge Wells. But today we are going to be knocking down a wall. Now I'm pulled up. I'm outside the job. What I'll do in a minute is I'll spin the phone round, and you'll be able to see the wall I'm taking down. But basically, it's 7.5 meters long. It's about, I don't know, 750 high at the minute. It's going to get taken down. It's only a single skin, just with 3 piers. It's going to get taken down, and we're going to be building a new wall. This one's leaning over. It's probably still safe, to be honest, but it is leaning over. So once it knocked down and a new wall put there, 7.5 meters long, 750 high, 3 piers. One at each end, one in the middle, but this time 9-inch with a nice brick on edge detail across the top. So yeah, I'm just waiting for a skip, and then I'm going to get out and start knocking this wall down, get the wall taken down, and then once this skip comes I can get it loaded. But already a little shock. Pull up. No, it's permit holders only, and no visiting permits for this particular road. So as it was quite lucky. I pull up and there's a traffic warden walking along. So I've just ran down the window and spoke with him and asked him about parking on this road. And he's given me this a dispensation. It's called, for putting my van here. 15 quid a day. Bloody hell. Yeah. So there's at least 45 quid gone straight away. But better than getting a parking ticket every day, I guess. But he did tell me that he is the warden for this road today. So, and he said he might ignore me. So I'm half tempted to just start the dispensation from tomorrow and do it for 2 days. But hey, we'll see. We'll see. I'm literally working right there. My van's here. But we know what traffic wardens can be like, don't we? So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this is what's happening. Basically, this wall here, someone's even left me a nice Jubilee hat. I might wear that for the job. But I'm going to take this wall down outside these 2 houses. So it's that's my client's house and the neighbour's house. Take that wall down, and we'll then basically see whether we need to put a new little footing in. And then yeah, we're going to build 9-inch wall there in, I believe, Flemish bond, but that needs to be confirmed by the client before I start. So yeah, I'm going to get out. I'm going to start taking this wall down. Hopefully skip turns up pretty soon, but I can start taking it down, put it in a pile, and when the skip comes I can just get it all chucked straight in. So as you can see, the wall is down. It's pretty much a big hardcore pile now, but yeah, it's waiting on my skip. I'm hoping to get my skip there, then I ain't got far to go with loading it. I want to get the skip dropped, get it loaded, get the skip gone. But I've just got to sit tight for now, and hopefully the skip will turn up pretty soon. Good morning. It's the next morning now, and I'm ready with my bucket, shovel, space for the skip. So I've been promised that the skip's coming. Well, it's on its way here. So as soon as that skip lands, that's it. All that hardcore is going to be going in now. Might have to get the breaker out to break the last couple of courses out of the ground, and then we're going to put a little concrete footing in there. I mean, it's only a I think it's about 675 or 750 high wall, so it's not nothing big, but it'll probably have 150 mil of concrete all the way through there, which is more than enough. So until the skip's here, that's where I'm at. So yeah, you'll, next time you see me, skip will be loaded, hopefully. Right, skip is pretty full over the road. Walls down, foundations in, not in but dug. Yeah, skip's getting pretty full now. So yeah, we're getting there. I've just set up the mixer. Going to knock up some concrete, get this footing poured, and yeah, just loads of ballast, cement. I've got more cement in the van. Mixer set up, protecting the floor, protecting the road, and all barriered off. There's plenty of barriers that the council had already put up around these trees. So yeah, just robbed a couple of them and just made myself a little secure area. So going to get some water now, some buckets of water, and get some concrete knocked up, get this foundation poured. Right, so the footing's in. It's tamped off. I just used my 4-foot level to give it a good old tamp. Nice and level all the way along, which makes my life easier tomorrow when we come in and lay the bricks. We've got a little TV cable that we're just gonna, once all that concrete's gone off, we're gonna put that at the very bottom and just run it through the bed of the first course. But yeah, that's where we're at. Footing is in. Skip's all loaded, all the rubbish on the skip. Put a bulk bag of plastic, it's all plastic on top, nice and light. It's level loads only, but the plastic on top, it's not really much, it's not really taking the mick. But yeah, I'm going to stick some barriers there, make sure someone can get at the skip. And that's me for the day. I'm absolutely drenched, it is steaming down. But yeah, so all I've got left now is peace out, and I'm going to go and get in a nice warm shower, I think. So yeah, back tomorrow. Oh, good morning. Well, bloody late morning now, but yeah, running around and job viewings this morning. That's where I've been. And now I've got to unload the van. Came in this morning, dropped some sand off and cement off. Now I've got at least getting on 500 bricks to unload. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that. And I'll catch up with you in a bit once I've loaded out. Right, that was a bit of a workout. 500 bricks out the back of the van, wheelbarrowed over there. So that's about it. I mean, time's pushing on now, and we've got thunderstorms and rain forecast all afternoon. So even though it's not raining right this second, it's cloudy and the sun is trying, but I've lost most of the day. And with the rain forecast, I am not going to get the mixer set up, for the simple being that I know what'll happen. I'll get the mixer out, I'll get the gauge on, get everything set up, get the muck boards out. It'll come over dark and start raining hard. I've had it too many times now to risk doing that, where tomorrow I can come in out tomorrow morning, bricks are there, sand's there, cements are there, I've just got to get the mixer out, set up, get a gauge on and start laying. So yeah, I'm not going to take that risk, I'm really not. But as you can see, if it does rain, the bricks are well protected, the old brick jackets, and yeah. So my plan is it's going to be Flemish bond, but here I've got like about 340 mil, so that back course plus with all the surface water and the soil against it, I'm actually going to put a row of concrete blocks through on the back side, just to help prevent any water damage to this wall once it's built. So I don't want water penetrating through, getting in the brickwork and just blowing them all the bricks. So yeah, I'm going to go course a concrete block on the back side against the earth, basically, and then face it with brickwork, and then go brickwork on top of the block and coming up about 675mm on a brick on edge all the way through, pier at each end, pier in the middle, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow I get here and smash it out. Hopefully get the wall built tomorrow. But other than that, I'll be back in the morning. It's starting to come over a bit cloudy now, and I really don't want to risk getting the old mixer out and grey clouds. Yeah, because it will. I'll get the muck laid out and it'll rain hard. I'm not taking that risk. Like I said, I've come up against this situation a few times and I've learnt my lesson now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. And these brick jackets, if you want to protect your bricks and blocks, perfect size. They're brickjackets.com. You can customise them. These are how they come though. I don't bother with customising. They come with a fixed radio on them, but you can customise them to your company, your branded logo, for a little bit extra per bag, but I didn't see the need. But it's all personal preference. So yeah, brickjackets.com. But other than that, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. You'll see me here ready, and we'll start slapping some bricks down. Right, good morning. All set up. Managed to get a parking space right opposite the job. Van's there, mixer's there. I've boxed myself off again. I've bumped it out, so all the bricks are loaded out along the path. I've got my spot boards. Basically, like I said, I'm going to put course a block through against the bank and then face it with brickwork. So yeah, basically I'm just going to set it out now and put you on a time lapse. So, that little corner's up, I'm ready. What I've done is I've just run it through dry, so I know what end to build that, what way around to build that corner. So I'm going to get on with that now, and yeah, job's a good one.
So let's send it. Energy and vibes are right, you can't end it. Liquor in the chaser, make a good friendship. Treat it like a DJ mix.
Good morning, and we are back. I'm going to get this little beauty finished today. it's all loaded out. I've bumped out, I've got a gauge on the boards, gauge in the mixer, and managed to get parked right opposite the job again. Busy little street this one, but it's all good. Managed to box myself in, and yeah, all good. I'm just going to carry on, same as yesterday. Going to get a line up and get this wall smashed out. I had a bit of running about this morning. I mean, it's about 8:30 now, so I'm starting around a normal time. But yeah, went to a couple of different builders merchants this morning. Get the bricks, get more bricks, get more sand, more cement, and the free pier capping stones. So yeah, all good. Just sit back, watch it all unfold now. So that's one gauge down, but I managed to get just shy of 2 courses on there. Boards are loaded again, I'm ready to go again. Yeah, I don't know what the time is. Started at 8:30, but yeah, one gauge down, another one's loaded. So yeah, jobs are good, and it still feels mega early, to be honest. So yeah, gonna get this last course through before the brick on edge. So I've got to get this course through, and then it's a pier at the end, pier at that end, pier in the middle, and then brick on edge between the piers. And there's a pier capping going on top of the piers. So yeah, just carry on watching. We are at this stage now. Little pier's built, pier in the middle built, pier at the end's built, walls up the height. It's just brick on edge all the way through that section, and the 3 pier caps to put on. I think it's about 91 brick on edge, something like that. So yeah, gonna put you on a time lapse now, and you can see that happen. So, I party into these tunes, smashing out some brick on edge. I absolutely love doing brick on edge detail. That's just a sneak peek. I will put pictures on at the end. There's some little time lapses there of me actually laying the brick on edge, but as it stands, this brick is actually bloody lovely. When I looked at it first, I thought, it's going to be a horrible looking brick, but once it's jointed and brushed off, it's pretty tidy, to be fair. I like it, but yeah, we're smashing it. So I'm going to carry on now. Might put you on another time lapse, I'm not sure yet. But I might actually do some real time, and you can actually see how the brick on edge actually takes place without having to watch it speeded up. Right, so here it goes, a little bit in real time. Let's see how it rolls.
blockbusters. How big? Like June. Family fun big like Boss Baby 2.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Start your 7-day free trial
Let's go.
and stream big on now. New customers only 18 plus limit refrigerator at £9.99 a month unless cancelled. Minimum speed 2.5 megabits per second terms apply.
Last year, Millions jackpot could make your dreams come true, but not the dream where you win thousands of geese. No, when you're living out on your own tropical island. Last year, Millions jackpot was £56 million. Euro Millions from the National Lottery. So app, online, and estimated jackpot, cap terms, rules and procedures apply. Players must be 18 or older.
Climate change hasn't won. We can bring life back. Download WWF's My Footprint app to find out how. Dunelm's biggest ever summer sale is now on. So whether you're dining at the table or on the sofa, however you'd like to dine, there's up to 30% off selected furniture, including dining, home office and living room items in the Dunelm summer sale. That's home, done your way. Shop in-store or online now. Soul Drivers are part of something special. They are members of the AIM, the UK's #1 breakdown service. With more expert patrols across the country and unlimited call-outs, this summer we'll always be there for you. Be with the best from £6 a month at theaa.com. The AA. Join today. New customers only. T's apply. For verification, go to theaa.com/1.
Why's it all moved again?
Sounds like another case of spreadsheet burnout. Starting Derek's computation error a month ago. It's time to ditch the spreadsheet. You can easily manage your accounts and business finances from day one, so you have more time to build the small business of your dreams. I love talking to you. Not on the floor. Not on the floor back. Or are you reserved for more? Every week in a team that will be by their side for years. Do more, help more, be more. Paid part-time roles for 19 days a year. Army Reserve. Be the best. Are you sure you don't want to retire next year instead? Suzanne's top accountant is retiring just as new business is rolling in. Problems are starting to add up. Well, yes, certainly we missed. Indeed can help us find great people fast. I need Indeed. Indeed you do. With Indeed Instant Match, we immediately show you candidates whose CVs on Indeed meet your sponsored job description. To start hiring, visit indeed.com/try today. The Sky Broadband Super Sale is here. You'll love our Super Fiber Special back again at its lowest price. Just £25 a month. It comes with super fast speed, our award-winning service, and amazing value at just £25 a month for 18 months. Now with a £19.95 setup fee. Out of contract, switch to Vine. Go to sky.com. Super fast 35 and 16th of June, usually £30.50, £35.50 a month after 18 months. Price may change. Average download speed 36 megabits per second. See sky.com for details.
Right, so this is a little bit in real time. I'm going to now stick at the time lapse because it's quite fiddly. It's a bit time consuming, and you ain't going to want to watch me run these 4 metres of brick on edge in real time, trust me. Completion. We are done. So that's the new wall, 7.5 metres, Flemish bond, 3 piers, Little pier capping stone on the top of each one, and nice brick on edge all the way along, and that's it complete. So a little bit of a closer up. Pier cap, nice brick on edge detail. That's the Flemish bond, and that's another one done. So yeah, that's the length of all 7.5 metres. It's about 700 high. Yeah, another one bites the dust.